The water still kind of blue. It's a little rocky, but it's still blue, right? Treasure Beach. I think I seen that in the video up here. Yeah. Yeah, it feels scary. Yes, this water feels definitely scary. It's beating. Right?
That's like how Florida is. At the West Shore.
We're on calmer waters.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's like this around the corner. This is jet ski water though. Jet ski and boat water. It's calm enough for that. Right? It's calm enough for boat and jet skis. I could bring a jet ski and love this. This will be my beach. In a business. All this could be my water. To ride jet skiing. Yep, jet ski water. Ready to go back? Okay. I think that's where we turned just now. In the back of one of these houses. Okay. The water's still blue. Huh? Yeah, the water's still clean and nice, man. Yeah, the water's still clean and nice. Little wavy. It's not like the grill, but I mean you can still bait here. The current's a little bit stronger. Still bait. Boat. Yeah. Respect. Oh, let's bathe in this water.
Yeah.
Which part? Don't say it's safe to bathe on this line? I mean, not really, don't look safe, but.
Not too far down. Mostly hole.
Mostly hole?
Yeah, far down.
Okay.
Either against the boat or from here go up.
Okay.
Yeah. Port shallow and you don't find any sinkhole.
Okay.
Yeah.
Over on the side?
Majority down there have big waves, so it's dig out the bottom and then more tide.
Right.
Hole down there, right? We must be there off here, come back up to that side, close the boat.
So it doesn't have really like the only pop rocks in the.
Once you walk up, you're good.
Okay. All right, cool.
You don't like you be down there.
No,
No, be right here.
Oh, okay, sir.
that's
Go on
enough.
up.
Yeah. What's your name?
Parchment.
Parchment.
Go on right here. The house. This house.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the damage house. They'll fix it up.
Nice.
The whole of this side up. Yeah.
Yeah, I never came down here after.
So,
Which part you from?
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Yeah. You looking to be a neighbor?
That will be nice.
How long you been down this side?
Hey, I retire from this. Retire from work.
Okay.
So
Relaxing now.
I get the house damaged. So I come down to fix it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
So where you is?
You guys see, I'm going right there now.
Oh, okay. You got it recently or a long time?
I built it from scratch.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So you live in Jamaica or you live over? You sound like
6
you.
and 6.
Okay.
Okay.
I spent
Nice.
6 months in Canada. I'm a Canadian.
Okay, nice.
That's the life, right?
Right,
Mhm.
exactly. Same food, guess what?
Oh,
So
Not my house.
you did that down here when the storm?
No, I came down, I told you.
Oh.
I'm just coming from a cousin house, so she come down to fix the dock on the main.
Yeah.
The house, you see, with the open section there.
Yeah.
See, I open that.
Oh, man.
So that's my house.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Where you guys stay?
Well, trying to get a piece of property over there. So on, where is that? On,
It's
what's the name of the
across
street?
From who?
From what's that man's name? Dunstan? Dunstan? Something like that. Dunstan.
My brother have a piece of land.
Yeah.
Let me see if you know about it.
The land close by?
No, not this. Come.
Okay.
You just have paint up. This is my gate much right now.
Nice.
I just